In your imagination now, I want you to visualize that you are standing in a beautiful clearing in a lush Australian rainforest. It's a crisp spring day and the warm sun shines down on you. You can hear a gurgling creek that runs off to the side of where you're quietly standing. And now you begin to walk carefully into the rainforest. Your feet and legs are well protected, moving easily through the gentle undergrowth. A couple of small wallabies bound distantly through the trees. You watch the speed with which they move, swiftly away through the gentle fern understory, followed by their bouncing grey tails, until you lose sight of them. It's a very peaceful life here in this rainforest. And the deeper into the rainforest you venture, the deeper into relaxation you fall. You're falling deeply now into a calm and tranquil feeling. You see a leaf falling from a tree as it dances and twists and twirls in the air before fluttering slowly down to rest with the other leaves. There is a background of bird calls and songs here in the rainforest. And now and again, a kookaburra calls in the distance. You can see the sunlight dappling down on the ferns and the wildflowers, and you are simply overwhelmed with the natural beauty surrounding you. You can feel the stillness and beauty of this place. Let it soak into you. And as you absorb all the stillness and all the beauty, you can now feel any tension, any anxiety, any fears, and any stress just drain away, draining out of you as though it were all so far away, so very far away. Feel yourself relaxing more and more as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And if you wish to go further, then come with me. For the deeper into the rainforest we go, the more comfortable and the more relaxed you become. And I want you to just stroll a little deeper into the rainforest, where it now becomes slightly cooler in temperature and denser in trees. But know that you are safe and secure, and that I am with you, and you will hear every word that I say, and you will only ever go as deep as you wish to go. So let your imagination have full reign now, and follow the path to your heart. As we come to a slope, going down a little, and there are steps cut into the earth as it slopes away. Five steps going deeper into the rainforest. Just 5 simple steps down. Come with me as I count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you've now reached an even deeper level of hypnosis, where your subconscious mind knows everything you need to know. And now you look around and you feel at one with the ferns and the birds, the gentle breeze on your face, the sound of the distant creek, and the peacefulness of this lush and wonderful place. Becoming more at peace, more relaxed, and creating a permanent place of inner peace and harmony deep within you. And I want to tell you that you can return here to your own special place in the rainforest anytime you wish. Anytime you wish, you can come back here, all with the power of a very simple, very ancient 3-breath technique. All you need to do is take 3 deep breaths and just think in your mind, each time you exhale all the air from your mouth, the words deeply relaxed, and you will find that you will become deeply and comfortably relaxed. Anytime you wish, daytime or nighttime, eyes open or eyes closed, you can come back here to your own special place in the rainforest, all with the power of this very simple 3-breath technique. All you need to do is take 3 deep breaths, and in your mind, on each out-breath, the words deeply relaxed. And you will find that you will become deeply and comfortably relaxed. And you can do this 3-breath technique quite undetectably. In just a few seconds, I will show you exactly how to do it undetectably at the end of the session. And it will always and reliably ground and center you. Always and reliably restore you to emotional balance. And now we will practice this 3-breath technique right here in this present moment to make it your own lifelong friend and helpmate. Breathe in through your nose, and on the out-breath through your mouth, think deeply relaxed. And again, deeply relaxed. And a third time, when you're ready, deeply relaxed. And as you become deeply and comfortably relaxed, you'll remember these feelings of peace and tranquility, this still, wonderful, calm place deep within you. And as you remember these feelings of peace and tranquility, you will feel instantly that you're back here in your own special place in the rainforest. These feelings of peace and tranquility, they are growing stronger by the day, stronger by the hour, stronger by the minute, and they are taking effect right now. So bring yourself back at the count of 5 and really enjoy these feelings of peace and tranquility that you rightfully own. 1, 2, 3, coming slowly back. 4, eyelids beginning to flutter. And 5, eyes open, wide awake, mind and body returning to normality now.